Hello everyone, I am Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC coming at you with the aluminum radiators from Tusk. All right everyone, so today we're taking a look at the aluminum radiators coming from Tusk. Now most of you out there know that radiators, they are crucial when it comes to keeping your engine temps running cool, but unfortunately they do stick out. So in most cases in a tip over or a crash, they're the first part of the bike that contacts the ground. And a lot of times that results in a bent or a cracked radiator. Now I have seen a lot of riders who will bend the radiators back, and in some cases you can get away with that. It just kind of depends on how bad the damage is. But in most cases, okay, if they're damaged too bad, if they're bent too much or cracked, that damage is irreversible. It's usually best just to get some new radiators on there. A bent or a cracked radiator can actually cut down on your engine's cooling, which will also cut down on performance. So if you're in that boat, or if you've been in that same boat and you need some new radiators, well, these radiators from Tusk, they're very good fitment, they're very high quality, and best of all, we all know radiators aren't cheap, and these come in at a very good price point. Now these radiators are going to be hand welded, and they're also built to OEM specs, so they have really good fitment. So when it comes to install, it's really simple. You're just going to take your stock radiators off, and then you're going to put these on. Now a couple other things you want to keep in mind is that if you order a radiator or a cap side radiator, it will come with a cap included, but there's some other great additions that you can do along with your new radiators. Okay, it's never a bad idea to get some new coolant in there. We have a lot of great coolants to choose from on our website. Also, I like to upgrade my radiator hoses, okay? This is our Tusk radiator hose kit that I have on the table. I've got the blue up here, but we do have these in a lot of different colorways for all the different bikes. I think it just gives a cool look to the bike, and they are going to add some more performance over your stock radiator hoses. Another great one is our Tusk high pressure radiator cap. What's cool about these is actually have a temp gauge on, so you can actually look at that and just monitor your engine's temperatures while you're out riding. And the last thing I would recommend with radiators, if you want to help prevent them from bending or breaking in the future, is look at some radiator braces. We offer those from different manufacturers for a lot of different bikes. They're just going to mount to the frame of your motorcycle, to the back of the radiator, and just give some added support. All right, so there they are. Those are the aluminum radiators coming from Tusk. Again, awesome price point, great fitment, a great replacement for your stock radiators. If you guys have any questions about these, give us a call, chat live, or comment below. We'll get your questions answered. And also just keep in mind that we do sell these individually or together as a kit. But remember, they are machine specific, so when you're picking yours up, you want to enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike, and you will be good to go. Orders over $75, ship free. If you like this product spotlight, want to see more like it, well, make sure to click subscribe, and that will keep you up to date. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.